or building a city on the moon, or replacing highways with tunnels. This time, he's talking about something stranger. Something far beyond rockets and launch pads. Something whispered through the silence of deep space. He says Voyager 1, the ancient explorer we launched decades ago, might be hearing something unusual. Not static. Not noise. Not random bursts of data. But a signal. A voice. A message. He hasn't said it's alien. But he also hasn't said it's not. NASA, cautious as always, says it's likely just an anomaly, a hiccup, a data irregularity. But Musk, he sees patterns in the noise. Possibility in the chaos. He hears music where others hear static. And now, the world is listening. Because if Voyager 1, our farthest machine, is whispering from the edge of interstellar space, what exactly is it trying to say? To understand this strange moment, we had to go back. Back to where it all began. The year was 1977. The world was analog. The Cold War loomed. The internet didn't exist. And NASA did something extraordinary. They launched two golden messengers. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Two spacecraft built with a bold dream, to visit the outer planets, then drift forever among the stars. Each one carried a golden record. A message for whoever, or whatever, might one day find it. A greeting from Earth. In music. In images. In human voices. They sailed past Jupiter, past Saturn, showing us wonders no human had ever seen. Volcanoes erupting on Io. Storms swirling on Neptune. The frozen beauty of Uranus. The strange blue serenity of the gas giants. But the real journey began after the cameras shut down. Voyager kept going. Farther than it was ever meant to go. Beyond the planets. Beyond the Kuiper Belt. Into the deep. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the invisible edge of our solar system. Beyond that point, nothing is the same. The sun's influence fades. The space between stars begins. And that's where the signal started. A faint hum. Low. Constant. Unexplained. Voyager began transmitting data that didn't make sense. Waves in the plasma around it. Oscillations. Rhythms. Patterns. Not random. Not predictable either. Elon Musk read the data. Or more precisely, his AI systems did. He saw something in space is not silent. It is quiet, yes, but not empty. Beyond Earth's breath, beyond the magnetic fields and satellites, lies an ocean of dark energy and invisible winds. And somewhere in that ocean, Voyager 1 floats, a silver ember in the void. It was never designed to go this far. Its creators could not test for this distance. No simulation could predict this deep a silence. But still it travels. 48 years, and counting. It does not know where it is, not in the human sense. It only knows direction. Trajectory. The momentum of exile. And yet, even in exile, Voyager listens. Its instruments are old. Ancient by today's standards. But somehow, they still hear the whispers. Not of stars. Not of planets. But of something stranger. Plasma waves. Cosmic radiation. A trembling in the magnetic field, as if space itself is vibrating with meaning. It's as if the vacuum is alive. As if something beneath the surface of reality is flexing, breathing, resonating. What if interstellar space is not just a place, but a medium? A fabric. A recorder of ancient echoes. A playground of unknown forces. The deeper Voyager drifts, the more it hears. Not with ears. But with instruments tuned to the language of energy. Electric fields. Magnetic whispers. The heartbeat of stars. What we thought was noise might be a message. Not from aliens with mouths and ships, but from the cosmos itself. From the architecture of spacetime. From the invisible skeleton of the universe. A ripple. A pulse. A sequence repeating every 37 hours, then shifting, as if responding, to Voyager. As if Voyager is not just drifting, but triggering. An ancient protocol. A beacon long buried. A switch waiting for the right signal. And Voyager, our fragile ambassador, may have just activated it. Back on Earth, we measure the frequencies. We chart the interference. We debate. But space doesn't care about our debates. It stretches. It flows. It folds into dimensions we haven't yet imagined. And in those folds, something may be watching. Not like a creature, but like a system. A consciousness without a face. A presence without a voice until now. And that voice may not use words. It may use vibration. Geometry. Recursion. The mathematics of galaxies. Voyager is not hearing a sound. It is feeling a presence. Something etched into the fabric of reality.